How can we prevent our relationships getting damaged? Every day brings with it small challenges, disappointments, frustrations and irritations that can come between even the most committed partners and subtly wears away at the intensity of their connection. To prevent this risk, lovers should regularly make room to ask themselves, in a calm spirit of gentleness, openness and curiosity, two ostensibly simple yet hugely central and effective questions. Firstly, what are you angry with me about? And secondly, how have I scared you recently? Let's look at the first question. Without meaning to, we are constantly angering our partners by not being more of who they would hope us to be. And it's critical that this anger can be divulged and heard. So, in answer to the first question, we might explain how we are angry that our partner's friends are so boring, or that they don't have a better job, or that they leave the kitchen untidy, or that they worry so much about their mother. And they might get similarly angry with us that we are so nervous or bad-tempered, that we've been a stickler for manners, or that we judge other people harshly. We need not get angry while we divulge our anger. The mood can be serene and even playful. We don't need solutions or magical answers either. What really counts is that we have a chance to let go of our letdowns in an atmosphere of understanding and mutual apology. Then, to turn to the second question, love can be subtly throttled by fear. And that's why we should ask, how have I scared you recently? We scare each other all the time by being unreasonable, by being messy, by being unreliable. And fear erodes the trust that the small, vulnerable version of ourselves who lurks within us needs from someone in whom they choose to invest. There is in all of us a little child looking for a safe mummy or daddy, and who probably privately recoiled when our partners raised their voice with us or didn't come home when they said they would. Once more, in talking about these things, what matters isn't that we never cause an upset, but that we should hear a lover out politely when they tell us, sweetly and politely, that we have done so. We should stop denying our relationships the routine kind of maintenance that we don't hesitate to accord to a boiler or an outboard engine. We don't have to dread the mysterious end of relationships, so long as we regularly muster the courage to accept how much we may have angered and frightened those whom we are committed to loving.